Hi guys, welcome to Logic Stats. Today I am discussing about overview of SAS. First of all, what is SAS? SAS is a statistical analysis system. It's a software suite developed by SAS Institute for different analytics. Developed at North Carolina State University in 1966 and it was developed in 1980s and 1990s with additional statistical procedures. Then learn about process of SAS. SAS is used to accessing, managing, analyzing and presentation of data. It means it used to collection of modules to process and analyze the data. We can this by importing data from Oracle, Excel file, raw database file and SAS files. After that, management of data. It's nothing but modifying the data. It includes subsetting the data, creating variables and cleaning and validating the data. Then analyzing the data. With the help of different procedures, means, freak, summary, report, we can analyze the data like frequency or mean calculation, regression, etc. Finally, presentation or reporting of data. We can generate reports in specific output formats like RTF, PDF, HTML using SAS ODS. There are different reports like list, summary, graph and print reports. Coming to SAS environment, it mainly consists of 5 windows: editor window, log window, output window, explorer window, result window. Now I can explain in SAS 9.4. In editor window, we can write, edit and submit the program. I have already written submitting the program. After submitting the program in log window, program execution shows here. Black line indicates program, blue lines indicates nodes. If there are any errors, and I will show. Here I am removing semicolon and running the program. Here see, warning shows in green color and error shows in red color. Coming to output window, after execution automatically produce dataset here, but here blank due to from SAS 9.4 it's not working. Coming to explorer window, it contains libraries, SAS files, formats and library contains different data sets like this. Coming to result window, printable results or reports shown in result window. For example, I have written already program and submitting. Here see, in result viewer displaying the report. Coming to SAS language, here I simply written structure of how the data converted to datasets and then with the help of program show results. SAS program consists of two parts. One is data step and proc step. I will show. Here first one is data step. I will write. Data step. Second written program, it's a proc step. These are the two simple programs I have written. Then these are simple programs. Then coming to SAS applications. Here SAS is used in different industries: informative technology, banking, financial, insurance, mainly health and hospital care like clinical. Coming to salary packages, according to payscale.com, these are the salary packages by different companies. And this is all about overview of SAS. Then coming to our program, here Logic starts providing SAS training for base SAS plus advanced SAS, after the credential certifications, and then clinical SAS training in low cost. If you are interested, please contact us. Thank you.